Mortgages with Bad Credit UK. Hello and welcome to our video on mortgages with bad credit in the UK. If you're someone with less than a perfect credit score, you may be wondering if you'll be able to get a mortgage to buy a house or flat. Well, the good news is that it's not impossible, but it can be more challenging than if you had good credit. My name's Alex Kerr, I'm a qualified mortgage broker and my passion is simplifying the mortgage process, leading you to mortgage success. Let's get into the vid. Firstly, it's important to understand what we mean by bad credit. This can include things like missed or late payments on credit cards or loans, defaults, county court judgments, individual voluntary arrangements, or bankruptcy. If any of these apply to you, it may affect your credit score and make it harder to get approved for a mortgage. So, what are your options if you have bad credit and want to get a mortgage? Let's take a look. Firstly, you may need to consider a specialist mortgage lender. These are mortgage lenders who cater specifically to people with bad credit, and they may be more willing to lend to you than a traditional high street bank. However, be aware that specialist mortgage lenders may charge higher interest rates and higher fees than mainstream mortgage lenders, so you'll need to weigh up the costs carefully. Another option is to seek the help of a mortgage broker. A mortgage broker can assess your individual circumstances and help you find a mortgage lender who is willing to work with you. They may also be able to help you improve your credit score and increase your chances of being approved for a mortgage, as long as having access to specialist mortgage lenders which you can't access directly. It's also worth noting that some mortgage lenders may be more lenient than others when it comes to bad credit. For example, some may overlook minor blips on your credit record if you can demonstrate that you have had a stable income and a good track record of managing your finances. It's important to be realistic about what you can afford. If you have bad credit, you may not be able to borrow as much as someone else with good credit, and you may need to put down a larger deposit to secure a mortgage. Finally, I like to put bad credit into three categories: minor adverse credit, adverse credit, and severe adverse credit. I'm pleased to say that I have created a free mentorship program which will help you understand which category you are in, if you are eligible for a bad credit mortgage in the UK, and more importantly, how much deposit you will need. You can download this free course by using the link in the corner of the screen or in the description below, called Bad Credit File Expert Lite. In conclusion, getting a mortgage with bad credit in the UK is possible, but it may take some extra effort and research on your part. Consider speaking to a specialist mortgage lender, speak to a mortgage broker, and be realistic about what you can afford. With some patience and determination, you can find the right mortgage lender for you. Generally speaking, if you've had one, maybe two missed payments or a default under £1,000, you might be able to get a mortgage with a 5% deposit. If your bad credit is more severe, then you may need a 10 or 15% deposit. If you think this is possible and you'd like to discuss your bad credit mortgage options further, just book a free no obligation chat with me by using the link in the corner of the screen or the description below. Mortgage warning. As a mortgage is secured against your home, it could be repossessed if you do not keep up the mortgage repayments. So thanks for watching today's video. Please check out the show notes for a recap with access to any links discussed today. And if you like this video and feel you're getting value, please do consider subscribing and ringing the bell to receive notifications so we can carry on providing you with value. There is currently around 70% of you that aren't subscribed at the moment, so I would be very grateful if you could do that so this message can be passed on to more people. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Have a beautiful day. I'll see you in the next one.